Today, I'm going to share a secret on how you could increase your credit score by an average of 47 points. So you can go from a 600 to a 647. You can go from a 700 to a 747. Now, if that sounds interesting, you got to keep watching this video to the very end. This is the moment that's going to redefine your life because that's a huge number. And this is also the moment that you stop blaming someone or something else for your bad credit score and do something about it. Take 5 minutes out of your day, commit to finishing this video to the very end, and then act on it. You'll thank me later. You're literally gonna try to find me on LinkedIn or on some social media page and say, Tim, I was able to get that auto loan, or I was able to finally get a credit card, or I was finally able to get a mortgage, whatever it is. I'm here to help you help yourself. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do exactly, specifically, is review a feature. It's a product, it's not mine, and I'm not getting paid to promote it, but I'm reviewing it because it works. Look, I'm here in the Portland, Oregon area, and I work with a few nonprofits, and I provide these courses to those who want to improve their credit scores. This is the #1 product that the participants rave about. Tim, it works. It worked for me. Here's how much my credit score increased. And I can see it. I see the results. I see the joy, the smiling faces. So this is called Self. And it has to do with getting a loan. But this is the most odd, weird type of loan that you'll have ever seen, but it actually works. Stay tuned, you'll understand exactly what I mean. A traditional loan, unlike what Self provides, is something like this. You say, hey, I need a loan of $10,000. They're gonna give you a term, and it's gonna be something along the lines of, 48 months or 60 months or whatnot, and then they're gonna give you an APR. This is the percentage that you're gonna pay. The lower the APR, the less you're gonna pay as a whole. And the higher the APR, the more you're gonna be out of cash or out of pocket expenses once you actually pay the full term. It's like me going to a credit union like I did 3 months ago, and I got a loan for my car. I got a nice Expedition. I'm super happy with it. I actually got it for my wife. Now my terms was 48 months, got a 6.5% APR. They give me my monthly payment, and I'm making it every single month. Once I pay it off, the car is mine, I get my title. Now that's a traditional loan. What Self does is they reinvented the system to help you build your credit score and help you create a savings account. Now, here is exactly what you do. You go to self.inc and you're gonna select terms under Credit Builder Loan because on-time payments are the #1 factor that improve your credit score, 35% of it. So you're gonna select your terms, and let's say, hypothetically, we're gonna select 24-month term. You choose, not them, you do. You're completely in control here. And then you're gonna select the amount that you're gonna pay. Not them, but you. I'm selecting $35. So 24 months of $35 payments equals $840. That's how much you're gonna give at the end of the 2 years. Now, here's what happens. You're not gonna get the $840. As a matter of fact, you're not getting anything right away. But what you are getting is a loan on the back end. Now, you're gonna begin paying the $35 every single month, and that money goes into like a reserve account. They can't touch it, you can't touch it. $35 goes in, $35 goes in, $35, and then it hits $840. And what you've just done is you've been paying off a loan, but the money's been going into the CD, and as soon as you're done paying off this loan, you get all that money back minus their fees, which is like an APR of, like a traditional loan, and you're paying whatever other fees that they might have. So out of the $840, you might get like minus 100. But how amazing is this? You've just created a savings account while building your credit score. Because look, every time you make this payment on time, and that's the key, you gotta make this payment on time. Set it on auto pay, make sure you're just contributing that $35 every single month. When you do that, they're gonna report to the 3 major credit bureaus. Hey, this person has a loan and they're paying it on time, and they've paid it on time for 24 months. Your credit score will increase because of the on-time payments, an average of 47 points. Isn't that incredible? Now, No one here is holding you back. No one here is telling you you can't make this happen, that there's no hope for a better credit score. This is fully in your control. Your life, your credit score is in your own hands. Your destiny, so to say, is in your own hands. So if you want to get that mortgage, you want to get that business loan, you want to get that car finance, but your credit score sucks, this is the next step to changing your future. Again, your destiny, your future, but you got to take action today. Check it out because thousands are already doing it. And the people that I work with, so many success stories in social proof. Check them out, self.inc. Cheers to your credit score.